Hello, I'm Dave Gray, founder of Fifth Wheel Street and creator of the RV Tow Check app. I developed RV Tow Check to help anyone who wants to ensure the tow vehicle's weight safety ratings will not be exceeded by an attached towed vehicle. RV Tow Check can reveal the realistic vehicle towing capacity of any tow vehicle, and this is crucial to know before you tow any vehicle. This short video will help you grasp what this app is and how to use it. Most importantly, I believe you will appreciate how RV Tow Check can save anyone from making a mistake that may cost thousands to correct. On this welcome screen, you will have the opportunity to read a long and laborious EULA and privacy policy. I just noticed privacy is misspelled. Oh well, who reads this stuff anyway? The bottom line is this. I want you to know that RV Tow Check is a calculator, and it is as accurate as the weights you enter into it. I am not responsible for any entry errors or your use of the app. Here are the initial instructions. The first set of instructions is essential. I strongly recommend you read them. This is your beginner mode home screen. Anytime you select the home button on other pages, you will be sent back to this page. As you see, there are 4 required entry buttons. You can start with any of these. For this demo, I will start with the GCWR button and then proceed in sequence to the next entry pages. There are optional entries where you can enter weights that were not in or attached to the tow vehicle when it was weighed. Please note the gear symbol in the upper right corner. This is the app settings and information button. On this page, you will enter the GCWR. For our RV friends across the seas, I've included weight entry terms for them. In the beginner mode, on all the entry pages are instructions and pertinent information to help you find vehicle weight information and understand the reason the entry is required. Enter the GVWR and the GVW on the following 2 pages. Enter either of the TWR weights or both. It is necessary that a number is entered in each box. Enter a 0 if you're not going to tow one of the vehicle types. On the optional entries page, select or enter any weight that was not included as part of the GVW entry. After the required entries are complete and any optional entries are included, you'll be able to view the realistic vehicle towing capacity. This page is what makes RV Tow Check unique from any other calculator. You can view various maximum towing capacities based on the pin and tongue weight percentage. Now that you have learned the steps in basic mode, let's go back to the home page and switch to the expert mode. Tap on the gear in the upper right corner. Select expert mode. Expert RV Tow Check users can use this streamlined single-page calculator without all the instructions and information. Notice that all the information entered in the basic mode remains. Also, in the upper left corner is a reset button to clear all the entries. I prefer to call it the dealer's button. On both expert and beginner mode report pages is this critical warning. Here's one error message you may see. Anytime a required entry field is missing in beginner mode, you'll see a message like this on the report page. After clicking OK, you will be directed to the page with the missing entry. Here is another error message that is self-explanatory. This concludes this short introduction. It is important to know that the RV consumer is solely responsible to ensure that the tow vehicle and the vehicle towed are compatible, and to make sure that the tow vehicle's weight safety ratings are not exceeded. I commend dealers using the RV Tow Check app to improve long-term customer relations and RV safety. A satisfied customer will come back often and recommend your business. Please visit my educational RV safety website specifically built for novice and experienced RVers. However, many dealers can learn a lot about RV safety not found in the Vehicle Owner's Manual. I wish you all happy and safe travels.